Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find USDC wallet address on Binance. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your Binance exchange. Once you have logged into your Binance, you need to click on assets at the bottom right corner. Now click on add funds and select on-chain deposit, and in the search bar you have to search for USDC and select USDC, and here you can see all the networks out there. There are many networks, so simply select a network that offers you a minimal and almost 0% fees. In this video, the network that offers you 0% fee is Aptos chain, so simply select Aptos, and always keep in mind that you have to select same network on the sending side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. And here you can see your USDC Aptos chain address, so simply tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find USDC wallet address on Binance. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.